With your love of nature, Bev, are there any specific moments in the tour that you're looking forward to experiencing with the group?
At first I thought yes, it would be the foraging, because I'm very interested in how we're going to manage that. However, we are going to a place where I'm hoping to submerge myself in the nature. I'm not going to say any more about that because it's such a magical place. I want you to experience it. But I'm just going to say you might want to wear shorts that day.